Want to move your Clearpay balance to your GCash but are hitting a wall? Unfortunately, a direct Clearpay to GCash transfer isn't possible. But don't worry, there are workarounds. This quick guide will show you how to bridge that gap, step by step. First commonly used method PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, you can withdraw your Clearpay refund to your PayPal then link it to your GCash. Just ensure that your PayPal account is verified. If you do not have a PayPal account, log in or create a PayPal if you have not done so and add the debit card associated with your Clearpay. And now you can withdraw refunds from Clearpay. Next, open your GCash app and select Cash In from the displayed options. Select PayPal, sign in, enter the amount you want to transfer, confirm the details, and voila! The funds will transfer to your GCash account. Another tactic is to use a remittance service like World Remit or Remitly. Use your Clearpay card to fund a transfer through these services by sending money to yourself. Then choose GCash as the deposit method. Just make sure the name on your remittance account matches your GCash account. These services usually have fees, so check costs beforehand. Remember, these indirect routes may involve fees and have daily or monthly limitations of GCash, so always check rates on the platform.